This short movie will take you through the steps on how to override your allotments using the control panel. This feature allows you to quickly change the allotments set for multiple online agents and categories from one screen. When allotments are changed from your control panel, your online module will read from this new setting. Overriding the allotments from the control panel will replace any set allotment you have applied for that day for that online agent. The cell on the chart will display the allotment number in red to indicate that it has been overridden. Let's go through the steps. Your chart currently shows your allotments as the figure in blue. To override these, click once on the button named Control Panel. Select the dates you wish to override the allotment for. Select the property and/or categories that you wish to effect. From the Values section, choose Allotments. Enter the new allotment value you wish to apply. On the bottom right, you will now see either a list of online agents you have set allotments for, or if you have chosen to use the option Default Allotments for all agents, you will only see default internet bookings. Select the allotments you wish to effect, then choose Apply Exit. Your chart will now display the allotments in red you have chosen to override.